Hello, I am Jojo Matthew, a 1992 batch mechanical engineer from NIT Durgapur. After working in a multinational firm for a couple of years in Bangalore, I accidentally started preparing for civil service exam. I never thought of preparing for this exam before. 4 attempts I took, that was allowed at that time, and I could not get through. Appeared in the interview a couple of times. When I was searching for a job after my attempts, quite accidentally, I chanced upon preparing or rather training people or taking some classes for civil service aspirants. And I found that I can teach well. Students appreciated. That is how I started teaching for civil service exam way back in 1998. I came to Delhi, joined my mentor at that time, Mr. Shashank Atom, and that is how I started my classes in Delhi. Last 22 years, I trained and taught thousands of students who came to Delhi for preparing for civil service exam. And in the process, almost 3,000 people got through in the Union Public Service exam, and around 5,000 to 6,000 people got through in state services exam through our training. It's not that we made somebody IAS, but definitely they could get help from us and we could help them in making a successful career in civil services. So we consider it as a great achievement because of the hard work of those great people, but at the same time we could support them in becoming civil servants. Now, in this effort to take our classes to more and more people and help people in realizing their dreams, we have thought of starting this new program, that is our online classes, whereby sitting in the comfort of your own home without even stepping out of your home, you can think of preparing for the exam, yet you can get the best training and coaching which we are giving in Delhi. The same flavor, the same teachers, the same material, the same vigor with which you will get the same classes at your comfort at your home. That is what we are looking forward in our online classes. Study from the top mentors for civil service exam. This is our motto of this online program, because people come to Delhi to prepare for civil service exam in search of the best teachers, the best mentors who can help you in becoming successful in this exam in a couple of attempts or in the first attempt itself. Now we are doing the opposite for you. In tough times, when it is difficult to come out of your home, when you find it difficult to move out of your hometown, the best way is to prepare from the best mentor in an online course. So we are coming to your home as part of an online course with the best of the teachers available for civil service preparation. We have trained thousands of students, and hundreds of people, or if not thousands of people, got through in civil service exam itself. Another couple of thousands of people have got through in state services exam only because of our meticulous preparation and training for this exam. So the same comfort or same training, the same material, the same teachers are coming to your home through this online program. Take advantage of this. This is a wonderful opportunity for all of you. We have an extraordinary legacy of success rate. In fact, every year on year, we are getting more than 20% of the successful candidates from our institute consistently. This is because of the hard work of the students also. And in fact, the institute alone cannot claim that we have created the successful candidates. If you look in the top 100, 1 in every 5 successful candidates are from our institute. In the last 18 years, if you look, almost 3,000 people have got through civil services alone, the Union Public Service exam alone. Now, if you look at the state services also, this number is almost 6,000 people. This is an extraordinary achievement, absolutely no doubt regarding this. And my challenge is, any one of you can become a successful candidate, and there is no big deal in becoming successful provided you have the right spirit and the right kind of guidance the way we provide. So we are looking forward to come to you and guide you so that you can be successful. It's not just about preparing for this exam, you have to be successful also. That is why our coming to you is all the more important. These classes are live as well as interactive. It is not just some video classes which we are offering to you. The idea behind this is the best of the mentors should take the classes, and that should be analytical, that should be powerful, and that should be exam oriented. Just like that, giving a video or taking some class is not our aim. The way the questions are asked in the exam, the way the questions are asked in the main exam, or how tricky it is being asked in the preliminary exam, or even in the interview, how to answer on a typical or a particular question, or since we have the experience of going through all the three processes, we know what kind of questions are being asked in the interview, we know what are the kind of questions are being asked in the main exam. It's always available in the net also, even the preliminary questions. So we are trying to take these classes to help you in appearing and attempting and clearing all the three levels of this exam. It is not just a preliminary coaching program. Many institutes across India, they are focusing only on the preliminary exam. But our focus is to clear this exam till the interview, including interview, so that you should be in the rank list. For that, we have to deal with preliminary exam, we have to deal with main exam, we have to deal with interview. Opinion in the interview is very important. And even opinion in the main exam is very important. That you can create only by listening to some of our ideas and understanding about the various topics. So these classes are not just factual. We are not interested in dishing out some facts and figures from some books. We are interested in getting you the right kind of perspective about a particular issue. A different opinion. You might be listening and watching and reading newspapers and news channels and all, but you may not be able to firm up an opinion on a particular issue, but we are there to help you in creating an opinion so that you can use this in the exam and you ultimately get the right kind of marks and get through this exam. It is not just some opinion of our satisfaction, the expected opinion of a civil service aspirant. That kind of information and that kind of opinion, that is what we are trying to help you in inculcating in you. That is how our classes will be totally different from all other classes in the name of civil service exam. So it's a complete package. We are going to complete your syllabus in all aspects. You need not run away and look for material from other sources when it comes to particular topics. Each and every topic will be covered in the best possible manner. So that it's a complete package is there. It is when a particular topic is taken, the preliminary requirements are taken care, the main exam requirements are taken care, and if an opinion is required, that opinion is also given to you so that you can use the same opinion in the main exam as well as in the interview. So many a times I have found that even the best of the teachers are finding it difficult to give an opinion, tell an opinion about a particular issue. To call a spade is not an easy part for many people. They may not even tell you what is the opinion should be there. If you ask them, they will say you can say this way also, that way also. But that is not our kind of program. Our program is we tell what we believe and what is correct and what is right, what you should speak. We will tell that even if it is not so comfortable from the government's perspective. Even if it is a criticism of the government, we may be talking about that and telling you the opinion so that you can use this in the exam and in the interview. So ours is a complete package where you will get a solution to all your questions. We have an elaborate set of printed materials for you. We have the best of the classes for you. We have best of the tests for you so that when you start doing this program, you will feel the satisfaction of doing things in the right way and in a complete way. This is a complete program and you will feel confident of preparing or confident of appearing in this exam because of the completion of the syllabus. And you will feel confident because we have covered for all aspects of this exam. And that is how this program will be different from all other programs and you will be proud of joining this program in future.